Okay, it's Tuesday, October 11th. I'm buying some Target here at 154.31. This is on the 15-minute chart. You can see here the first bar moved up. I'll show you in a minute how that reached its initial target. So it had the potential to pause here, and it did pause a little bit to the midway point of the first bar, a little inside bar, bar 3, and then we continued higher on bar 4. So I'm buying it here a little higher than I probably should have got in at 154, but let's just call it 154.30. Looking for it obviously to take out the highs here to start and then head up. In the bigger picture, we have a 2-up day. That's what I'm saying right at the start here when we moved up right out of the gates. We did take out that target right here, but now if we continue higher past the that opening bar or the second bar high, then we kind of project up here more to the 155 area and working towards these highs in the 158 area. A lot of the retail stocks are strong today, like Costco and Walmart. So it's in, and the market, I kind of watched the SPY kind of come down, kind of do what I expected it to do after this red bar to take out its intraday lows, but now we're reversing a little bit. So not saying the market itself is going to have a big reversal day. Anything's possible, but we are pausing here. So I'm going to go with some of the stronger stocks and just see if we can get a little bit of a rally this morning. This one has a typical good opening pattern to do that. As long as we take out that first bar high on this next move up, you can see the stop here is kind of below this bar. It's kind of the midway point of that first bar. So it's a pretty tight stop. Down below like 153.50 if we don't really follow through. So we'll just see what happens here. But, if we can continue up, then it's a 2-up day with some targets, more on the weekly chart. It's kind of inside. Again, not the greatest looking pattern in terms of, we have failed here on the upside a little bit on that 2-up. That would have normally wanted to take you to that target on the weekly chart, but we kind of held the midpoint of that bar to start this week out, so maybe we're continuing up a little bit this week. So far we are anyway. So we'll see what happens here on this 15-minute chart. Buying it here at the upper blue line. Let's see if we can get a little follow through, and that would set off a possible kind of a nice day for a move back up towards these highs of last week. So let's see what happens with Target today. And buying it again at 154.31.